Hello! In this video we are going to be talking about different colors you might see on your window balances and what they mean for when you are going to replace them. When you are going to replace your window balances, there are three things that you need to know. The first is the length of the window balance tube from the end here to the end here. The next thing that you need to know is whether your window balance tube is made of aluminum, as you can see here, or vinyl, which is a white plastic. The last thing that you need to know is what color you have on your window balance. A white window balance bearing means that the window balance can typically hold around 12 pounds. As we move up next to the red window balance bearing, these can typically hold up to 25 pounds. The next highest up is blue, right here. These can typically hold around 35 pounds. And finally, we have black, which is known as the heaviest duty of the window balances, and this can hold around 35 pounds and above. When you are going to replace your window balances, you do need to make sure that you replace them in pairs. So you are matching your window balance here on one side to the window balance on the other. That means that each of your window balances should be the same length, the same material, whether it be aluminum or vinyl, and have the same color bearing. It is also generally recommended that when you are replacing your window balances, you move up one weight class or color bearing. So if you have white in your window and you are looking to replace, you can feel free to move up one bearing to the red. Again, making sure that both of your new window balances have the red bearing. It is not recommended that you move down in weight classes or color bearings. So if you have a blue color bearing, it is not recommended to then move down to a red, and definitely not recommended to move down to a white. Otherwise, the instant that you install your window balance and weight is put onto that window balance, if it is one of the lower weight classes, it could immediately break and you would have to replace the window balances yet again. With all of this information, you can find the perfect window balance replacement for your needs at allaboutdoors.com. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment on the bottom of this video, or you can call us at allaboutdoors.com.